Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It is the weekend, it's Saturday. It's like the middle of the day. I've actually done like quite a lot so far. So we went to the gym this morning, made breakfast. I just went to Target, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx to get some home stuff. I've been wanting to kind of like redo our decor. I never also like fully did everything, like I never like put stuff on the walls really of like how I want it. So I'm kind of starting from scratch a little bit. But I wanted to get the apartment like all exactly how I want it because we're gonna end up having people over for like around the wedding time too. So I just want to make sure that I have everything like how I want it. So I've done some things. I need to do stuff with this. So like that actually used to be like a metallic-y silver and I got spray painted it white. It's a little bit off from that one. I like that color better. So I might try to get another paint that's more of like a cream instead of like a white. But I think that looks good. And then I have the little basket with the flowers. And then up here, this is not done. I'm gonna take that down and I want like a circle mirror there. And then I think I'm just gonna leave that stuff and leave it kind of like plain with like just the circle mirror. But the mirror that I want from Target is not in stock right now. They have it in stock with like a black frame, but I want the copper one just because I feel like it will like match everything better because I have a lot of like warm tones and like neutrals. So that's the plan with that. I just got some stuff for the coffee table. Obviously I have like random things on it, like this lighter that needs to go in the basket and like my blue light glasses and stuff, but I got some stuff for this. So we are going to decorate that today. Obviously I have not cleaned up the couch, but I think I'm gonna leave the pillows the same. I might get rid of that one and put like another just like neutral one, but I can't decide. And then up here, I wanna get like two big frames for right there. And I want to do like a beachy kind of scene. I'll show you guys the one that I have. They have them on like Etsy, like prints that you can just download, and then I would have to like go to Staples and get it like actually printed and then get a frame. But I'm thinking of doing like beachy ones. I just can't decide between two. One is like more blue and the other one's more like neutral. So I just can't decide what I want to do with that yet, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Home Goods and Target. I actually got like kind of a lot of stuff. Not as much as I was like hoping to find. I found more at HomeSense than I did at TJ Maxx. I was hoping that the HomeSense was a Home Goods. I typed Home Goods into my phone and it took me to a HomeSense, which I was hoping I could find like maybe another mirror for above the fireplace or like prints for the wall, because HomeSense usually has like that bigger stuff, but I didn't find any of that stuff. But I did get some like little stuff that I wanted. So I'll show you guys that stuff first. And then I got some like kitchen stuff too that I've been needing. So I got another one of these containers. I use these a lot actually, and I wanted one for my like mocha Java mix stuff that I have for my smoothies. So I got that one because I just ordered more of that on Amazon too. But I'll show you guys my cabinet with that. I think that these are amazing and they make your cabinets look like more put together. So I got that big one just because I saw it there and it's cheaper. I usually get them at Target, but it was cheaper there. And then I got these little bowls because the only bowls that I have that are like little like this for like dips or like little snacks, like if I do like a little bit of trail mix or something like that, they're like plastic flamingo like summertime ones, and they just like don't look cute if you're like trying to like display things. So since we're gonna be having people over for like dinner and stuff, match like the rest of the stuff in the kitchen, so it all works. And then this is like my favorite thing that I found. So I actually found this at the checkout, and I had another one like it in my cart that I found, and I was like, I think I like it, but like I knew I could do better kind of thing, but I was like, I'm just gonna get it because I haven't been able to find one that like I've really been looking for. So I found this little like geode, and it is perfect. They had so many other ones that were like purpley and pink, but I wanted one like this that was just like white and tan and neutral, and it's like big. I love it. So I had like another white one, but it was like mini, and it was like literally just like the size of this like corner. But I love this, and I think I want to put it on the coffee table, but I think it's so cool. It's super cute, and it surprisingly was like not that expensive. They had other ones, like the purple ones that I was looking at they were like $40, and this one was $19.99. So what a deal for this guy. Love this. Okay, so moving on to Target. I'm like such a mess right now. I also have self-tanner on, so that's why I'm wearing this like big outfit. So I just got some like random stuff too. Q-tips, love some Q-tips. Got some more body wash. KELS multivitamins, fish oil. I got these chocolate chips because I'm gonna make banana bread, and these chocolate chips are the best in the banana bread because they're like mini. And I got a new loofah. So there's that random stuff. And then I got more of the containers because I needed 2 more. I wanted one for sugar because I got sugar the other day for a recipe. And then I got one for flour too because I have almond flour, but sometimes I need normal flour for like recipes. And when my mom came, we were making a recipe that we needed normal flour, and I only had the almond flour. So I was like, I should probably have flour just in case. And since these containers like suction and they like keep things fresh, I was like, it's fine that I don't use flour all the time, which is why I got like the mini ones, and I got like the tall skinny ones for the flour and the sugar because I don't use them often. And then I got new coasters because I don't know if you guys saw it on the table. The coasters are like blue and like patterned. They're more like summery, so I wanted neutral ones to match my neutral vibe. So I just got these little white marble ones, which are really cute and will match perfectly. And then this big bag. I love getting like the big Target bags. I don't know why. I just got this big like mixing bowl type of thing. I figured it would be really good for salads, to like mix a salad in there and eat it out of, because I don't have a bowl that's like more shallow like that. And then I also got this like set of serving bowls, and these are plastic, which I like, but I realized that I only have one like proper serving bowl, and it's glass. It's like actually like a really nice one. But I figured we would need more, especially like big ones if we have like chips out or anything like that. And there's like different sizes. And then I can also use like this big one for like as a mixing bowl, because I only have one like big mixing bowl. So I figured that would be really handy also. And then the last thing, my all-time favorite thing. So I went to Target the other day and I was looking around. It was literally like, it was actually yesterday, not the other day. It was yesterday. I went to Target and I was looking at the like new home decor stuff that they have out. And I hate that I always do this, but I see something I really like and I'm like, I don't need it, I'm not gonna get it, whatever. But I'm like I fell in love with it. And then stuff at Target, like decor wise, at least my Target, goes so quick. And if you see it, next time you go, you won't see it and you'll never see it again. So I was like, I have to go back today and I have to go buy it. Hopefully there's one there. So when I went yesterday, there were 2, and there's 2 different ones, not different, but like different, they kind of had like different shades of white. So I liked the one that was more white, and of course that was the one that was taken. This one I feel like has a little bit of a yellowy tint, but it's just like this little decor bowl, and it is so freaking cute. And it's just very like the style that I'm going for. Like, I'm sure everyone knows like the style that's in right now for decor. But I want to put this on the coffee table, and Target actually has like a wooden like knot decor that I want to put inside of this. but they are sold out. So I just have like my notifications on my Target app. So as soon as it comes back in, I'm gonna buy it and I'm gonna put it inside of here. If not, I'm gonna try to find one that's like similar. So that is everything. I'm out of breath, I was just talking so fast. So first, I think I'm gonna wash these, wash all the new bowls. And then once these are dry, I'm going to fill them with my flour and sugar and all of that good stuff. And then we're going to decorate the coffee table and see how that looks. All right, I made some progress. I also fixed the pillows. I do feel like I want to get rid of that. I feel like it's not really fitting anymore. I got it for fall, but I think I just want to get another like plain cream one. So this is what we have. I like it. I think it's cute, and I think that this will look good with the little like wooden knot inside. And then I just kind of have it like spread out because I like how people do that. And then our little geode, super cute. I'm liking it. I don't know what to do with my candles. I think I might just like leave them off, but then when I want to burn them, just put them on. But I think it looks really cute and I like it a lot. I was just on FaceTime with my mom and dad for a while, and when I was done, I looked at the clock and I was like, where did the day go? It's already almost 4:30 and I thought it was like 1. So I'm gonna meal prep. Get some meal prep done today. I want to try to get a lot of it done today, actually, since Kyle's at his friend's anyway, so it's not like I have someone to like do anything with. So I might as well just get a lot done, which is the goal right now. I did fill my containers except for the one with the mocha java mix. That is literally all I have left from the bag, but I ordered 2 new bags from Amazon, which is why I got the big tub for it too. And that's supposed to get here today. It just hasn't yet. And then up here, I filled the flour and the sugar. So like this looks amazing. I absolutely love it. And then I have this one that I just stuck in front. But I absolutely love this. And like this looks amazing. And then it's like, oh my God, scary. Like, it's such a difference, but I want like everything to look like that. And I just think my life would be so much better and more organized. But these shelves are a lot taller, like this bottom one, compared to like the 2 middle ones. So like I would be able to do something on the top, but on the top is where I usually put like extra things that I buy in bulk because it's so high that like I can't reach it all the time. And then like that shelf is usually like crackers and chips, and then that is like canned things and like pasta and rice. So I just really like that. That makes me really happy. But right now I am just making some ground beef. It is 93 lean, 7 fat. So I have 2 of those I'm gonna put in the pan. I actually need to do that now because it's getting really hot. So I just have olive oil in there. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll add like garlic powder, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna cut up these 3 peppers, a sweet onion, and some potatoes. I'm gonna do half of them. The other half I'm gonna do a recipe tomorrow and just put it on the sheet pan and stick that into the oven. So this is gonna be one meal, like potatoes, peppers, and onions, and ground beef, and also banana bread. I'm gonna do banana bread tonight. So I'm gonna get going on this stuff. I've made some progress. So this is the onion, 3 bell peppers, and I did 6 of these potatoes, and then the other 6 I'm saving for the other potato thing that I'm doing. But the sheet pan is huge, if you guys can tell. So I'm gonna put this in the oven now, and the ground beef is now done cooking. So I'm going to wrap this up. In this, I just did the garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. And then I did the same on this for the sheet pan. So I'm gonna put this in the oven until everything is cooked through. And now I'm gonna work on the banana bread mix. Guys, I messed up so bad. I don't know how this happened. So I was really excited because I just got my Amazon package and I was gonna fill my container. So I just go to get it out of the box. I got 2 bags of classic chai. What was I thinking? I swear I ordered mocha. Oh my God, I did order mocha. The sticker on it literally says Mocha Java. Guys, look, it literally says Mocha Java Classic Chai. What the heck? And now I'm annoyed because I hate returning things. It's such a hassle. But like, they messed up. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just send like a message to Amazon or something. I don't know how this works. I'm gonna try to figure it out on my Amazon account and hopefully they can send me the right stuff instead, because they messed up and it literally says on the sticker Mocha Java, and then they sent me 2 bags of classic chai. So annoying. Anyways, I'm really hungry. I'm gonna heat up the food that we ate last night and eat before I start making the banana bread because I'm really hungry. I just finished the potatoes, peppers, and onions. Just took the banana bread out of the oven also. I'm still trying to find stuff online for the table. So like the stuff that I want from Target that isn't in stock, it's like bothering me that I don't have it and I don't know when it's going to be back in stock. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking for. But like the one thing, the circle mirror for above the, what's it called? Fireplace, that I can definitely find another one, but this one is just so cheap. It's $25, which is crazy. But if I need to, if we're like getting closer and it's still like just not in stock, then I'll go out and get one. They have another one at Target that's like $60, and then I saw a lot at HomeSense that were like $50. So if I need to, I will just do that. I just like this one also because I feel like it's gonna be like light, so that I'm able to like hang it by myself and I don't have to like wait for like someone else to help me. But it's really cute. I want the brass one. They do have the black one in stock, but I just don't want the black one. But that's what it looks like. It's really cute, super simple. And then the knot thing I really want, and it's only $20, and I'm like looking online for ones like it, and the one that I like is like $300. It's like, how is that even possible? But this is super cute. So I'm waiting for that to come back in stock too. And I just want them to come back in stock like now so that I can get them. But we just figured out that we're able to go on our honeymoon right after. It was like kind of up in the air based on Kyle's football schedule, but he just found out that we are going to be able to go. So that's really exciting. So now it's gonna be like a scramble to figure out where we wanna go and if they have rooms available, because we are cutting it pretty close. And I know a lot of the places that I've looked at are like fully booked. So there's that. I feel like I have so many things to do right now. I need to edit a YouTube video. I wanted to get back to client, like one-on-one client request today too, but that might have to wait until tomorrow because I really need to edit my YouTube video from yesterday. So I need to get that done and stop talking.